Staining doors is very much a fiberglass door situation. You cannot stain a metal door. It does not absorb. It will not impregnate. You can stain a wood door, but if you put a wood door in, you're looking at a myriad of service and maintenance and upkeep and all that because wood is affected by elements. Fiberglass doors, maintenance free. You put it in, it's done. On the stain on our fiberglass doors, and you have several different colors from light to dark and everywhere in between. There's tons of different colors that you can stain our doors that we give you choices of, and it's a factory applied stain. It's several coats baked on, clear coats baked on, so they give it, depending on which grade of product you get, an 8 to a 12-year warranty on the finish. And then after the 12 years is up, you can get what's called a gel coat stain and restain it yourself. I will tell you that won't last as long as the factory one because it's not done and baked on and multi things. But I've had my own doors in my house now for 17 years, and I've done one gel coat, and I did that about 3 years ago, and my wife might make me do another one this spring, but I'm going to try to get out of it.